Per Inside EVs, General Motors is gearing up for an exciting transition. The Chevrolet Bolt, a popular electric vehicle, is getting an update and a new production home at GM's Fairfax assembly plant in Kansas City. This shift marks the end of the Chevrolet Malibu, a sedan with a history dating back to 1964, which will see its production cease in November 2024. The new Bolt will be an EUV-only crossover, featuring the latest Ultium battery and drive motor technology similar to those in the Chevy Blazer EV, GMC Hummer EV, and Cadillac Lyriq. The Fairfax plant, operational since 1987, will undergo upgrades before it starts manufacturing the new Bolt and the gasoline-powered Cadillac XT4 at the end of next year. This move not only signifies a significant shift towards electric vehicles for GM but also highlights the company's flexible manufacturing capabilities. The transition will lead to temporary layoffs for some of the plant's 2,200 employees during the upgrade phase. You are listening to UON News.